Hello everyone. Welcome to Voice of Russia for you. I'm very glad to see you here and hope that you're glad to see me here as well on your screens. So guys, first of all, I'd like to wish you all the best in the coming new year. I want this year to bring only best thing into your families, into your lives. I want you to be healthy, happy and opulent. It's from all my heart. And guys, apart from that, I'd like to tell you about one very interesting thing. In the recent times, I've noticed a lot of very colorful Moscow metro trains. They are painted in different colors. Some of them have some animal stuff. Some of them have some pictures from popular movies with different characters. And one of the trains that was launched, if I'm not mistaken, only yesterday, this train is going to be the last one in my compilation, and it's painted in the New Year colors. So guys, again, I'm wishing you all the best and watch my Moscow Metro Trains compilation. See you next time. Bye.